Cranial nerves arising from the spinal cord. CN11. Cranial nerves arising from the medulla oblongata. CN9, CN10, CN12. Cranial nerves arising from the pontomedullary junction. CN7 and 8. Cranial nerves arising from the pons. CN5 and 7. Cranial nerves arising from the midbrain. CN3 and 4. Cranial nerves arising from the diencephalon. CN2. Cranial nerves arising from the telencephalon. CN1. Nerves traversing the jugular foramen. CN9, 10, 11. Nerves traversing the supraorbital fissure. CN3, 4, 6, V2. Nerves traversing the cavernous sinus. CN3, 4, 6, V1, and V2. Nerves traversing the foramen rotundum. CNV2. Nerves traversing the foramen oval. CNV3. Nerves traversing the foramen magnum. CN11. Nerves traversing the internal auditory meatus. CN7 and 8. Nerves traversing the stylomastoid foramen. CN7. Levels of sympathetic innervation of the eye. T1, T4. Levels of sympathetic innervation of the heart. T1, T4. Levels of sympathetic innervation of the lungs. T2, T7. Levels of sympathetic innervation of the foregut. T5, T9. Levels of sympathetic innervation of the small intestine. T9, T10. Levels of sympathetic innervation of the large intestine to splenic flexure. T11, L1. Levels of sympathetic innervation of the descending colon to rectum. L1, 2. Levels of sympathetic innervation of the kidney. T10, L1.